Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look into Veracity, that is VRA, and we look at VRA USDT, BTC, and also VRA Ethereum chart. So let's begin today's video. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. And if you're joining me for the first time, it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel. First of all, let me tell you one thing that we all know that every altcoin, every major altcoin, the price action largely depends on Bitcoin's performance. So I insist you watch Bitcoin 1 minute videos that I upload every Monday. This was the video uploaded yesterday, and this is to show how precisely 1 minute videos are. They are very precise. You can check it for yourself. This was the video that I had uploaded yesterday, and in matter of 17 hours, both our targets for Bitcoin were hit. Just see this video. It was a 1 minute video. As you can see, it was very clearly told in the video that if we are able to hold 37,385 as support, which we were, then Bitcoin is likely to go higher rather than lower. And two targets were given, and both targets were hit by Bitcoin. My point being that since Bitcoin started pumping, we saw the very similar kind of pump in VRA. And currently we are looking at VRA daily chart. This is a VRA USDT chart of daily time frame. First, let me share with you what I can see in the daily time frame. Then we'll also go into the lower and higher time frames. So on daily time frame, personally, very important price for me is I have highlighted in this blue line, that is at around 0.025. So on 25 cents, which currently we are testing it. You can see this candle, one candle is a daily candle. We are testing it right now. This is very important in my opinion before we flip bullish on the daily, because as you can see, this was previous support. A lot of times whenever we broke out of this, we saw a huge pump and we saw correction, and this was holding as support. You can see it over here. Once we broke, we again saw a big correction down. Even here we can see this was holding as support, and we saw a big pump. Whenever we, even in this crash, when we started coming down, we took time to break this support at around 25, 2.5 cents. Hence this is a very important price in my opinion. Once we break this and we come down and we hold it as support, this would be starting of a new wave in my opinion. Hence this is a very important price on the daily time frame personally for me. If at all we look at the lower time frames, let's go to the 4-hour chart, then we can see very clearly this was kind of a rounding bottom. It's forming like a rounding bottom, and we should break this and start higher. So on a lower time frame, for bullish continuation, it is very important to break 2 cents. This was the breakout point for me. Once we broke out of this, it resulted in this pump. You can see this 2 cent region was a heavy resistance. So we did break out, but again we came back down. Hence, on the shorter time frame, these two have been this price has been an important resistance. If we look at that price, it is at around, can see very clearly over here in the immediate time frame, that is in January 2022. This has been an important resistance. Whenever we have gone above, we saw price coming down. So the sell pressure used to increase over here at around 34.35. So at 3.5 cents. Hence it is very important. As long as we are about 2 cents in the immediate time frame, we are likely to go higher rather than lower. So 2 cents is an important price that needs to be held. Even if, let's say, we correct, we see some correction from here, then we should come down and this should be the support, and that's how we can again start with a reversal. So on the lower time frame, Bitcoin is, sorry, VRA is looking extremely good, extremely bullish on the 4-hour chart. Even if we find some correction down to 2 cents, it would not be bad. It would be a retest of breakout. 2 cents should hold as support. That is the main criteria. So on the lower time frame, our immediate support is 2 cents and our immediate resistance likely would be at around 3.5 once we break this 2.5 cent resistance. And on the way, one of the major resistance can be over here at around 4.5 cents. This was the price that even Brightcove partnership news could not break. So this again is a very important price in my opinion. Around 4.5, I clearly remember. We saw the news of Brightcove partnership and we saw an instant pump, but around 4.5 to 4.5 cents, 0.44 to 0.45. That was the price I vaguely remember, where we saw a big supply and resulting in the price coming down. So on a lower time frame, we are clearly bullish, but on daily, we are yet to flip bullish, in my opinion, purely looking at price action. And as I say that always buy something that is in the bearish price trend so that you can sell it in the bullish price trend. So in my opinion, any dip down would not be a bad time to accumulate more VRA. If at all we look at our we look at our EMAs, which we use quite often to judge the bullishness. Even when we are looking at the EMAs, the daily EMA, we can see very clearly 21 EMA that is in the green. We are trying to break it right now, and this should now hold as support. If then this will be a huge reversal. So the 21 EMA as of today is at around 0.032. This should hold as support. You can see if we go back into the 2021 correction, what happened. This was the 2021 May correction. Very clearly you can see over here. Again, we are looking at the daily time frame. Our green line, that is 21 EMA, it was acting as resistance. Once we broke out, we flipped it into support, and that caused a new wave, which led us to a new all-time high. So this should happen. We are currently over here. We are breaking, and for the next few days, we should have a daily close above 21 EMA, which would really mean, which would be extremely bullish. So a daily close about 21 EMA is very much necessary for us to flip bullish on the daily if you follow EMAs. So if you take support of the EMA or the exponential moving average, even then 0.235 is an important price. So around 2.5 cents itself, and purely by price action, as I told you, for me 2.5 cents is very important. Once we break and flip it into support, then we will see a reversal on the daily time frame also. If we go and look at the hourly time frames or a shorter time frame, we can see clear reversal. On the 1 hour, we are above all important moving averages. Our 21 moving average has crossed 89 and 200 moving average. Even here, we are seeing that it is likely to happen in the next few hours or a day, where this black line, that is an 89 moving average, can also cross 200 moving average. Again, that is extremely bullish. If we look at the 2 hour, we have our 21 EMA has crossed 89, and again it's looking good to cross 200. If we keep pumping higher, we will see this cross happening on the 2 hour. On the 3 hour, we are yet to cross. Any important crosses are yet to happen, but things are looking good, and this is looking reversal at a shorter time frame. But as I told you, on the daily, it's not yet flipped bullish. It's on the verge of flipping bullish on the daily. If we look at the weekly chart, again on the weekly, we I can see that we have broken 89 weekly EMA, which was first holding as support. We broke it and we are again going back up. On the weekly time frame, again around 0.032. So that is a weekly resistance, as it's 21 weekly EMA. This is one of the most pivotal points in my opinion, where market judges whether asset is bullish or bearish. Being bullish on the 21 weekly EMA is being bullish on a higher time frame. So our 21 weekly EMA currently is at around 0.032, and if we can break and flip this into support on the weekly time frame, this would be a sure short reversal, and a new all-time high would only be a matter of time once we break and flip this zone into support on the weekly time frame. Look at this very clearly in the past two pumps. Look at this. 21 EMA was holding as support and we form a all-time high. We broke it. We again started gaining momentum, and once we flipped it into support, we went for a new all-time high. So flipping this area into support on the weekly time frame of 0.032 is very important. Once we flip it into weekly time frame, then I think a new all-time high is not far off. So a very important price in my opinion. On the monthly, we are again back to bullish on the 21 monthly EMA, and even our Stoch RSI is bottoming on the monthly. So overall, things are looking extremely good in my opinion for VRA. We should all see how BTC performs, and BTC should stay bearish. So I'm again telling you, keep looking at Bitcoin 1 minute videos every week to stay updated. If we look at the Bitcoin BTC chart, sorry, VRA BTC chart, again very similar to USDT chart, where we are about to break 21 EMA. We have not in fact yet broken. So we are slightly more bearish on the Bitcoin chart rather than the USDT chart. Again, very important in my opinion is flipping this price, that is on the 0.0005880 satoshis. I have again highlighted it in blue line. It's very important in my opinion to flip this price into support to be bullish on the daily time frame. You can see this was a previous support. We broke and we went down, and this was a rounding bottom. Again, flipping this price into support, we started a new all-time high. Similarly, it will be very important to regain this price into support. Once we can do that, then we can dream of a new all-time high on the Bitcoin pair too. You can see how important this support has been. It has always held support, which led to a new all-time high. So very important to flip this zone into support on the daily time frame, and even on the weekly. Yes, on the weekly, in fact, weekly VRA BTC is slightly more bullish than VRA USDT, because on the weekly we did not break 89 EMA, which I have highlighted. You can see in the black line. We did not break it in the Bitcoin pair as we broke it in the USDT pair. So on the weekly, VRA BTC is slightly more bullish than VRA USDT. Even on the monthly, you can see very clearly it's bullish than on VRA USDT. So on higher time frames, VRA is looking good, and these are good times to accumulate VRA in my opinion. Even if we get some leg down, even let's say this is a dead cat bounce, and if we get one more leg down, I don't think that would be a bad time to buy, because there is a huge upside to this chart and the downside is very, very less in my opinion. Again, this is not an investment advice, so please do your own research, but it is very simple. You can see certain lows, then it's not likely to go lower than that, but higher possibilities are much more. A very similar looking VRA each chart. This is of Bittrex exchange. There is not much data here. This is hardly a few months, 3 or 4 months. But again, a very similar to what VRA USDT and VRA BTC chart are showing us. We have to break this on the daily at around 850, 0.0000850 ETH to be bullish on the daily when we look at pure price action. Also taking support of 21 EMAs, every daily chart we are currently getting resisted by 21 EMA, and if we can flip that into support, this would be a reversal on even daily time frame. So overall VRA on the shorter time frame is definitely looking good, and on the shorter time frame reversals are there, and we are approaching very important resistance, as it's a resistance on the daily. And if we get some correction from here, we can see even while recording this video, I can see we are already starting to get some correction on the 1 hour chart. This is a huge red candle forming right now, and we are correcting exactly precisely from our important price, as I told you, for me. But this is not a bad sign. This only means that if we can hold and flip these zones into support, then we are good to go and good to continue our pump. So overall things are looking good. Again, be aware that every altcoin performance majorly depends on Bitcoin. So please make sure you keep watching my Bitcoin videos too. Take care guys. Thank you for joining me in this video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share. Bye bye.